You guys have seen a lot of plugins, and this is the far best, funniest plugin ever made in the history of music. So let's see what it is and how it sounds. Plugin name is Fartman 2. It's by RDG Audio. The sound of this plugin is insane. And now let's see how it looks. This is the interface of the plugin, and it looks like the Indian plugin. And this is the old man which farts, and here are so many farts. As you can see, these DC farts: Fartman Legacy, Fartman Solo, Fartman Marathon, Methane Fart, Sonic Fart, Upset Fart, and Wet Gas. These are all the presets. Okay. This plugin also have the envelopes like attack, release, sustain, sustain A, sustain B, attack, and then velocity, transpose, and the knobs looks like you commented. Let's hear some of the sounds. Let's go to Desi Farts, and this is Balish Fart. Nice. Oh shit. And let's go to Fartman Legacy. Let's see how it sounds. Its preset name is Durgandhamula. Gumble Fart. Nice. Now this is Pedo Manthara. And this is called Thusi Fart. This is last Wet Gas. This is the sounds of this plugin. Now how to utilize this into your own productions. So let's see. I made this little drop for the tutorial purpose. Now let's mute the Fartman, and let's hear all the drums which we have. So this is the drums. Let's now turn on the leads and let's see how it sounds. Let's hear the final drop with all the elements. Let's do it. This is how you can utilize this plugin. So I will give the link in the description so you can download it from there. See you in the next video.